A question I get asked all the time is what is making all that noise in this tiny car? And no, it's not broken. It's a 600cc turbo K car, so when I let off the throttle, it makes a lot of turbo noises. Which means when I let off the throttle, you get a bit of this. Specifically on this AZ-1, I've rerouted the blow-off valve to be right here, and you get a lot of noise from this power chamber intake. Now let's hear that from back here. And for the love of the game, we'll do one little drive-by. Now I'll show you some clips from outside the car and people's reactions.